Everyone, Timothy coming from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have the Anderic RC-682M remote control, which is a 100% direct replacement for the Onkyo RC-681M that is no longer available. Now this remote will program to many other devices and also works for many other Onkyo receivers. As you can see, the layout on this remote is exactly the same and has all the same features and functions that the original had. If you would like to make the order for this, please give us a call at 336-924-8787 or make an order on our secured checkout website at ReplacementRemotes.com by clicking the link below and hitting the green Buy It Now button. And you can have the brand new Anderic RR682M remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.